This is the incredible motorcycle collection that my uncle has in garage in northern Italy, and it's just amazing. Well, he has a BMW GS 1200, which is fantastic, Honda NZ 750, but the fantastic, incredible part comes now. Check this out. Okay, so this is a Bianchi, an army motorcycle. It's a 400cc, and it was built for it's a 1961. It was built for the Italian army, and it's incredible. It has 5 gears and one smaller gears that goes super slow uphill, and so it means that you can just keep going straight uphill, and it never stops until you flip it essentially. And it's incredible. It's so cool. It's so old. And check this out. The old muffler comes up so you can even go through rivers without even stopping. And it has a chain in the back and a light that you can pull out and put on top of it. It's just incredible. Then he's fixing a new Vespa. Che anno è questa? This is a 1958. Vespa, che Vespa è? E poi che altro hai?
Questa qui.
Di che anno sono? This is a 1961. Then that's a Lambretta. 1956. Lambretta 150D. And another Vespa.
Vespa Farobasso 54.
This is called the Vespa Farobasso, which is lower light. And it's a 1954. And an old Pix. Che anno è quello? Del
81.
1981. Check this out. So cool. This is so freaking cool. Okay. Bye. This is my uncle's.